Hi, this is JTwisdom. Hello, elegant lovelies. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I wanted to kind of do an unboxing. I haven't opened up this box, but my husband opened it up for me because he wanted to help me out. But I haven't actually looked in the box, if that makes sense. And just to give a background story, my mother was really she loved fashion. She really liked vintage fashion, and there was a bag that I really liked of hers, and it was black and white leather, but it was actually it almost looked like it was crocheted or macrame. It was like macrame and circular leather, and the bag was originated, I think the bag came from like she had the bag from like 60s, and she had a bag like that, and I always thought it was really pretty, but there were certain parts of it that I always said if it was different, I could actually be able to wear it different, but I really liked it. It was odd. It just has a really great appeal to it. I happened to be looking either online. Actually, I wasn't even looking on TV. I was looking online for something, and I happened to see one of my favorite bag designers is Patricia Nash. And you know, Patricia Nash used to be a lot of her things are sold at Macy's, Lord & Taylor, and also HSN. She was on Evine for a little bit of time, but she moved over to HSN. And I happened to see this bag that really, when I saw it, immediately I was like, this looks just like my mother's bag. And I'm looking at my laptop, and the bag is called the Patricia Nash Pisticci Linked Leather Shoulder Bag. And the bag is inspired by the popular leather chain link bags of the carefree 70s era. So that would have been right around the time my mother would have been really like in you know, like, you know, she would buy all kinds of different odd things. You know, I remember when she went to Mexico, she had brought well, I don't remember when she went to Mexico. I remember because I wasn't born yet, but I remember being a young child, seeing some of the things that she had kept over the years, and saying, oh wow, that's really cool, you know, really odd. She really liked very odd things, things that normally people wouldn't have, or wouldn't have around, or wouldn't wear. And I think that's where I really got that sense of really wanting to be unique and not like looking like a carbon copy of anyone else. So let's get to it. All right, so this is a bag, and when I saw this bag, because like I said before, I've been really looking for something different, and something that's really, really just different. So I saw this bag on HSN, and I said, wow. And that's the receipt. And I said, wow, that bag is really, really pretty. But the bag was like $3.99. And I was like, I don't know. And you notice, this bag was purchased from Lord & Taylor. Do you see this? I'm not going to say any names, but take note. Do you see wrapping, like bubble? Do you see extra wrapping here to protect? Do you see that? See that? To make sure everything's nice and, you know, and tidy, and things not bumping around anything. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, take note. So as you can see, I have not opened this bag. Oh, my little dog loves to jump on me. Still acting like a little puppy. Well, he's only 7 months old, but not my big puppy, but my little puppy. Okay, so when I actually said, man, and you know, sometimes you be like, oh, it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm getting it. I don't care. It could be, I don't care what it costs. But then, you know, in the back of your head, you're like, oh, there's got to be something, So I started doing a search, and you can see right here, you can see that's what the bag retail for. It's the Patricia Nash, again, the Pisticci linked leather shoulder bag. Okay. So look how they packed this. They packed this so nice. They even taped, look at that, taped it for me. Look at that. Taped all nice. I can smell the leather. But immediately when I saw this bag, it really brought about really some fond memories, because I don't know about you, but with my mother, I would love just like looking through the different things that, you know, seeing different things that she would wear, or she would tell me. I really like to listen to my mother and to my grandmother talk about stories from their childhood or things they wore, and it just made me really even get more closer to them than what I already was. So that was neat. So this is the bag. Now my mother's bag was in black and white, but this is the bag, and I just thought this bag was so pretty. So pretty. If you notice, it's linked, and the details of the bag is the striking shoulder bag features a removable strap and fold over handles. So this bag, it says you can throw it over your shoulder for a casual stroll downtown, or slip it on your arm to create a dramatic, eye-catching look. Now this is just something, and this was my mother. This is just something you just not going to see everybody wear. And if I look on the inside, but the difference is with this bag is that this bag, let me take this out. Okay, I'm going to put this over here so you can see it better. So you can see it comes with a dust bag, Patricia Nash, and actually she has it's patricianashdesigns.com, so she has her own website too. Macy's actually even had a video, or might have been Lord & Taylor had a video on there where it showed someone talking about the bag and how beautiful the bag is. This is actually the strap, and as you can see, it has a plastic on it. So wait just a minute. So as I was telling the story about how actually I thought that the bag on HSN, at first I was saying, oh, I really don't care what it costs. But then in the back of my head, I was saying, I really do have to, I just want to see if comparison price or something. And so I looked online, and I happened to see that Lord & Taylor, okay, that's my puppy. He wants to smell. He's smelling the leather too. How good it smells. So when I was doing a comparison, I happened to see, oh, Lord & Taylor. So I said, let me see, because Lord & Taylor used to be in Missouri, and they aren't in Missouri anymore. And I think they have a store. They do have a store in Chicago, but they do have an online website. And I said, let me check out Lord & Taylor. So I said, oh. And then I had the screen up, and my hubby and I was, my husband was looking at it, and he said, it's a one-day sale. I said, what? It's a one-day sale. And it happened to be the day that I'm looking at it, and it was a one-day sale. So a bag that would have cost $3.99 was actually able to get the bag for $2.99. And so it was like Christmas. So yes. So I actually was able to get the bag for over $100 less from Lord & Taylor. Yes. And actually I was able to get the bag with free shipping. So didn't even have to pay shipping. So it was just awesome. And so to show you the inside of the bag, the sides of the bag is lined in leather. The difference with my mother's bag and this bag is that this bag actually has lining It actually has lining. My mother's bag, the links that you see, the links were open down. It was like links all the way down, and you could see through the bag. That's the difference. And actually, the one reason why I still couldn't be able to really carry my mother's bag, over time, the bag was like over 40 years old. So it just started to kind of, you know how sometimes it'll just start to crumble a little bit, so I could not wear the bag anymore. But one thing I really liked about this is that, like, my mother's bag did not have a shoulder strap where you could actually use it as a crossbody, and it did not have, let me stand up here, it did not have a zipper. There's a zipper in here. There's a zipper in here, and she actually has her registration. She has where Patricia Nash has, where you can actually register your bags with her as well. So that is really cool, where you can register on the website, and there's actually, you know, everything on here where you can actually register your bag. And there's the logo, the Patricia Nash logo. And then if I turn the bag around, you'll see that there's actually, now my mother's bag did not have pockets, where if you wanted to use pockets for sunglasses or readers or lip gloss or anything like that, you can. So what's really cool about this bag is that you can actually just fold it on over. You can carry it as a crossbody like this. You can wear it like this, or if you want to carry it, just carry it like this. You can carry it like this. If I wanted to take this, like suppose I wanted to take the crossbody off, I could take the crossbody strap off. Now all of this is 100% leather. I could carry it like this. But I just really I thought it was so pretty. This bag also comes in, I think it comes in like a tan color. I think it comes in, it came in a few other colors, but I just thought it looked really, really pretty. And it's just different. It's just a different bag. But when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, this is such a pretty bag. And this is the kind of bag that you can wear all year long. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It just looks couture. It just looks couture. And when I saw this, I was like, that's my mother's bag. So this was more than just, to me, it was more than just a purchase. It was something where I could actually still be able to carry on a legacy that I so enjoyed, because I know that it came from, that came from an inspiration from what my mother wore when she had a bag that was like this. So it means a lot. It gives off it's not just a purchase. It's a memory and an inspiration of what I remember of what my mother's bag looked like. And I was so disheartened that I couldn't wear it anymore, simply because of age. And it just started to kind of feel almost like if every time you wore it, you could feel like it felt like sand was coming off of the bag. So it was just age, and I couldn't wear it anymore. So when I happened to just be looking online, and it just happened to came across, I saw that bag, immediately I was like, that's it's like my mother's bag just taken to, 2019. And so it's not just a purchase, it's a memory and an inspiration. So I just wanted you all to share that with you, and just wanted you all to be a part of that. I just think it's so pretty. It's just a couture piece, for such a great deal, and then free shipping also from Lord & Taylor. It was just awesome to be able to do that, because I didn't even know that Patricia Nash sold bags on the Lord & Taylor website. So it was just meant to be. So until next time, this is JTwisdom, and Jesus loves you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And again, I appreciate every comment, every like. I appreciate you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much for being a part of this elegant, lovely community. And until next time, have an awesome day and a fabulous day, and be you.